Sweetie. Sweetie. Sweetie, come on, just hear me out.
Stop following me. No.
Sweetie.
No.
Please.
Jakey. Jakey.
You stop following. Don't make it worse. It's over.
Jakey. 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 Jakey.
Sorry. My bad. My bad. Cheers. Bye.
Come on, Jakey. You have to explain this. Ikaw ka nag-iisip. You have to talk.
Wag mo na ako sundan. You're making it worse.
This is bullshit.
It's clear to me now. Samantha is the only girl for me. I'm sorry, Genevieve. And we cannot, please? Or don't. I really don't care.
Hindi mo man lang baka kausapin mo na si Jakey.
Dapat pakakasal mo yung Jakey niya. Buti nga naghihintay pa yun para sa'yo eh.
Mama, kaya nga ako pupunta ng Vienna. He is my fiancé. Siyempre, kailangan ko siyang kausapin.
You know each other?
No. Samantha,
No! Go away! No! Jakey!
I'm sorry. It's over.